Meaning of ice house.
Ice house.
Ice house.
Ice house.
Ice house. Ice house is a term that refers to a building or structure used to store ice, typically for use in refrigeration. These were popular in the days before electric refrigerators, when people had to find ways to keep their food and perishables cold. Ice houses could be made of various materials, including brick, stone, or wood, and were often built partially underground to take advantage of cooler temperatures. Once filled with ice, they would help keep food and drinks cool for extended periods of time. Today, ice houses are mostly seen as historical artifacts rather than functional buildings.